Hello everyone, this is July month's activity greeting card with turmeric and detergent solution. Take turmeric powder, detergent solution, water, A4 sheet paper, paintbrush, scissors. You can take earbuds in place of paintbrush. Fold the paper into half. Cut it. Now, how to make turmeric paste? Take turmeric powder, add water, mix it. How to make detergent solution? Take surf excel or any other detergent solution, pour water, mix it, keep aside. Now take turmeric paste, paint it on a paper. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Now take detergent solution. Write on it happy birthday or any other words. See how the color is changing into red color. They are changing into red color. How it changed into red color? You also try this at home. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is July month's activity, turmeric indicators. Take turmeric paste, detergent solution, half lemon. Take the detergent solution, pour the detergent solution into turmeric paste. Mix it for a while. See how the color changed into red color? Take a lemon, squeeze it, mix it for a while, and the color started to change into yellow color. Indicators are substances that are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic or neutral in nature. They change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Indicators are of two types, natural and artificial. Naturally occurring indicators are turmeric, lentils, china rose and red cabbage. Turmeric gives brownish and red color in basic medium and yellow in acidic medium. This is the main concept of this turmeric indicators. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Krita from 7th grade. Today I am going to do a science experiment. The materials you need is turmeric powder, detergent powder, and lemon, and a bowl and glass of water. First, take a spoon of turmeric powder. And pour the water into it. And mix it well. And mix it well with a brush. This is used for making greeting cards with these colors. And pour some detergent into this bowl. See the color changing into red. These both colors can be used in greeting. We can make a nice greeting card. And you want to make it yellow color, take a lemon and pour the lemon water into this. You can see the change, the water is becoming yellow. This is the experiment.
Thank you.